Hello everyone, hi guys, how are you? Welcome to the session guys. So complete quant syllabus, 500 must do quant question and covering 100 plus concepts guys. Today again I'll be taking number system LCM HCF pending questions. Have you tried these questions guys? Question कर लिया आप लोगों ने? Question number 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Okay, 28 तक हमने बच्चों last session में कर लिया था, right? We have covered questions till question number 28. I'm going to start with question number 29. Have you tried this question, guys? What is the answer to the question? Today, I will not be giving you the time to attempt the question, guys. We'll straight away have a discussion of these questions, guys. Okay? Tell me, guys. Question number 29 का क्या answer आएगा? Right? PDF file has already been given to the students in the WhatsApp group as well as in the Telegram channel. I hope everybody has attended these questions, right? Attempted these questions so that we can straight away have a discussion. 18. Okay. Anybody else? 16. All right. देखो बच्चों, right, 16 seems to be the right answer, guys. देखो, question number 29 says LCM of two natural number A and B where A is greater than B is 935. बच्चों, A का value B से बड़ा है बच्चों. The value of A is greater than B. And the LCM of these two numbers is LCM of A and B, guys. LCM of A and B is given to you as 935. Now, what you need to do here is, guys, right? Assume that now there has to be something common between A and B, right? Assuming that HCF of A and B, let's say that HCF of A and B is equal to H. Can I assume? Let's say कि A and B का HCF जो है बच्चों वो A के equivalent है. So can I say the number A will be equal to H multiplied by some number M and B will be equal to H multiplied by N. Am I right or wrong? Everybody clear with this? And because H is a highest common factor, can I say that M and N should be co-prime? Guys, do you understand this concept? M and N should be co-prime with each other. बच्चों ये आपस में co-prime क्यों होंगे? Why M and N will be co-prime to each other? Because we have assumed that between the number A and B, the highest common factor is H. अगर H highest common factor है, that means M और N should be co-prime. That means M और N में कुछ common नहीं होना चाहिए. If there is nothing common between M and N, that means M and N are co-prime to each other. Everybody clear with this? Yes or no? Do you agree with this part, guys? ठीक है बच्चों, यहाँ तक किसी बच्चे को प्रॉब्लम, किसी बच्चे को डाउट इस पॉइंट तक, राइट? Now because it is given to me that the LCM of these two number is 935. Now guys, if I give you two number HM and HN where H is the highest common factor and M and N are co-prime to each other, can I say LCM of these two number will be H multiplied by M multiplied by N? Can I say this? This is going to be the LCM, guys. ये पॉइंट में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. जिस बच्चे ने बेसिक्स पढ़े हुए हैं LCM HCF के, आई गेस उसको ये बात समझ में आनी चाहिए. LCM will be H into M into N, guys, right? Now, guys, LCM is supposed to be 935. That means H multiplied by M multiplied by N is given to me as 935. I also need to make sure that A has to be greater than B. Now, if I do the factorization of 935, बच्चों 935 का factorization करने पे कितना आ रहा है? 5 into 1, 5 into 8, 187. Okay. This is 5 into 18 कितने पे cancel होगा बच्चों? 18 11 पे cancel हो रहा है बच्चों, right? So can I say this is 5 into 11 into 17? Am I right or wrong, guys? Is this point clear to everybody? ये समझ में आ गया बच्चों? 5 into 11 into 7, right? That's the HCF of the number, right? That's a LCM of the number, right? Now guys, tell me, what are the different possible values of H? H की different possible values क्या हो सकती हैं? Can I say H can be equal to 5? Can I say H can be equal to 5? The another case is H can also be equal to 11. H can also be equal to 17. H can also be the combination of any of these two. अगर इन दोनों में से किसी एक का combination लोगे तो वो combination क्या बनेगा बच्चों? H can also be equal to 5 into 11, let's say 55. H can also be equal to 5 into 17, that means 85. H can also be equal to 11 into 17. 11 into 17 कितना बनेगा बच्चों? 187 guys, right? 187. Everybody clear with this? Yes or no? H can also be equal to 187. Right, H is basically a number. H into M into N मुझे ये चाहिए. So H 5 भी हो सकता है, 11 भी हो सकता है, 17 भी हो सकता है. H can also be the product of any of these two. Any of these two means 5 into 11 भी हो सकता है, 5 into 17 भी हो सकता है, 11 into 17 भी हो सकता है. Are you guys with me? Everybody is clear with this? Yes or no? Now guys, now look at it. If I say that H is equal to 5. अगर h की वैल्यू 5 होगी बच्चों तो a और b का वैल्यू क्या होगा? यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट a शुड बी ग्रेटर देन b गाइस. a का वैल्यू b से बड़ा होना चाहिए. टेल मी इफ आई से द वैल्यू ऑफ h इज इक्वल टू 5, द वैल्यू ऑफ h इज इक्वल टू 5, देन 5 into 11 into 17 is h into m into n. Now a is, what is the value of a? A is h into m, b is h into n, right? So h is 5, m is 11 or n is 17, right? So 11 into 5, one of the number has to be 55, one of the number has to be 85. Because I want a to be greater than b, अगर मुझे a का वैल्यू b से बड़ा चाहिए बच्चों, if I want the value of a to be greater than b, can I say that a has to be taken as 85 and b has to be taken as 55. Keep this in mind. This h is the numbers a and b are hm and hn, right? So if I say h is 5, h into m will be 5 into 11 55 or 5 into 17 85, but a is greater than b, so a has to be taken as 85 guys. Is this point clear? Tell me guys, what are the numbers if I take h as 11? If I take the value of h as 11, what is going to be the number of a and b guys? A और b का नंबर क्या बनेगा? h की वैल्यू अगर आपने 11 ली तो बच्चों 11 into 5, one number will be 55 and one number would be 11 into 17. 11 into 17 would be 85 guys. Am I right or wrong? H into m, h into n. 17 है a, right? Right बच्चों. And because a is greater than b, तो ये 187 बनेगा, ये 55 बनेगा. Am I right or wrong? This has to be 187 and this has to be 55. If I take h as 17 बच्चों, अगर मैंने HCF को 17 लिया तो numbers HM और HN क्या बनेंगे? 17 into 5, एक नंबर बनेगा बच्चों. One of the number would be 85 and one of the number would be 17 plus 187. Am I right or wrong? 85 and 187. ये ठीक है बच्चों. So because a greater than b है तो ये 187 बनेगा और ये 85 बनेगा. Am I right? If I take HCF as 55, अगर मैंने HCF को 55 लिया बच्चों, 5 into 11 55 लिया, then what are the values of these two number बच्चों? इन दोनों का नंबर क्या बनेगा? What are these two numbers? Tell me. If I say that h is 55 guys, HCF को आपने 55 लिया, right? So another number would be equal to what guys? एक नंबर बनेगा बच्चों 55 into 17 and another number would be 55 itself, right? तो ये नंबर को 55 लेना पड़ेगा और ये नंबर को 55 into 7 लेना पड़ेगा. Am I right? Is it clear? 935. Is it clear, everybody? Now if I say the HCF is 85, 7 into 5 का product 85. So can I say one of the number will be 85, 17 into 5, 85 बनेगा और जो दूसरा नंबर बनेगा that would be 17 into 11, that would be 17. Okay, 85 लिया आपने, 85 into 11 that is 935. Am I right or wrong? ये पॉइंट समझ में आ रहे हैं बच्चों? ये केसेस समझ में आ रहे हैं? If I say the HCF is 187, अगर मैंने HCF को 187 लिया, 11 into 17 187 लिया, so one of the number would be 935, another number would be 187 itself. So guys, all these are the possible values of b. These are the different possible values of b. We are supposed to find out the highest, what is the maximum possible value, the sum of digits of b. So guys, b के digits को maximize करना है तो यहाँ पे summation 10 आ रहा है, यहाँ भी 10, यहाँ 13, यहाँ 10, यहाँ 13 और यहाँ पे summation जो आ रहा है बच्चों वो 16 आ रहा है बच्चों, right or wrong? So the highest possible sum is going to be equal to 16. B option would be the correct answer, right? Is it clear to all of you? Anybody having any doubt in it? 6 is the right answer, guys. Question number 30 का answer बताओ. What is the answer to the question number 30, everybody? What is the answer to question number 30? Anybody? In a large school auditorium, the students are made to sit in rows. If the teachers make a row of students of 16 each, there will be 5 students left. Yes, guys, tell me, anybody, किसी बच्चे का आंसर आया क्या? 504. Okay, let's see. Okay, you're saying that it's not possible. Okay, guys, see this. I want a number, right? See that question says कि 16 करके अगर रो में आप students को arrange करोगे, then there will be 5 students left. So can I say the total number of students in the school are 16x plus 5? Am I right or wrong? Is it clear? And if I asked all the same set of students to sit 24 each in row, एक रो के अंदर 24 students बैठेंगे, then there will be 12 students left. So can I say that the total number of students in the class will be 24y plus 12? Are you guys with me? Is it clear or not? Yes or no? ठीक है बच्चों, यहाँ तक किसी को डाउट इस पॉइंट पे? राइट ना गाइस, व्हाट डू आई गेट? यस, इसमें नहीं आंसर आएगा बच्चों, राइट? कुछ गड़बड़ कर दिया मैंने इसमें. 13. ओके, यहाँ पे 12 नहीं आएगा बच्चों. जस्ट टेक दिस नंबर एज 13 गाइस. ओके, राइट, टेक दिस नंबर एज 13. इसको 13 लेना पड़ेगा तो जाके आंसर आएगा बच्चों, राइट? Just do this correction guys, then there will be 13 students left, right? So 16x plus 5 is equal to 24y plus 13. 24 students एक row में बैठेंगे, then there will be 13 students left guys, right? So can I say 16x plus 5 should be equal to 24y plus 13. Now this gives you 16x minus 24y is equal to 8. Am I right? Now guys, this equation is, so both of these two values are my total number of students. So guys, tell me, what is the final equation you will be getting? 2x minus 3y is equal to 1 guys. Yes or no? 2x minus 3y is equal to 1 आ गया, सबको समझ में आ गया बच्चों यहाँ पे? Everything is clear, right? Everything is clear now. Now tell me guys, the first integral solution that satisfy this equation. What is the first integral solution that satisfy this equation guys? 2x minus 3y is equal to 1 चाहिए. So can I say that if I put x as 2 and y as 1, 2 multiplied by 2 minus 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1. So first integral solution of this is putting x as 2 and y as 1. X की value को 2 लो, y की value को 1 लो, then this satisfy this equation. That means such set of students are 16 into x plus 5. That means 16 into 1 plus 5 is equal to, right? Sorry, 16 into 2 plus 5 is equal to 24 into 1 plus 13. That means 37 are the possible number of students in the class. Yes or no? The first such number that satisfy this condition, that if they are supposed to sit 16 in a row, then 5 students are left guys. देखो 37 students अगर स्कूल में होंगे तो पहली रो में 16, दूसरी रो में 16, 5 बच्चे बच जाएंगे, राइट? एंड अगर 37 में एक रो के अंदर 24 स्टूडेंट्स बैठेंगे तो then 13 will be left. Yes or no? Is it clear? The first such number that satisfy both this condition is 37. Right everybody? Yes or no? Right? But question में बोला है, if it is given that the number of students present in schools are more than 500. Now number of students in the school are more than 500 guys. That means we get to know कि total number of students जो है वो 37, right? The first such number that satisfy this condition is 37. That means वो 37 का ही multiple होगा बच्चों. 37 तो आना ही आना चाहिए बच्चों इसके अंदर, right? But tell me guys, if I want that total number of students are more than 500, तो इसमें ऐसा कौन सा number मुझे add करना चाहिए so that the condition of leaving 5 students when it divided by 16 and a remainder of 13 when divided by 24 should not get disturbed. देखो 16 से डिवाइड होके 5 का रिमाइंडर आना चाहिए, 24 से डिवाइड होके 13 का रिमाइंडर आना चाहिए. So what is the value I should be adding over here so that these two conditions do not get disturbed? So can I say I need to add a number which is a multiple of 24 and 16? अगर मैं इसमें 16 और 24 का मल्टीपल कोई भी ऐड करता हूं बच्चों, दैट मींस 48 का कोई भी मल्टीपल ऐड करूंगा, तो बताओ बच्चों 5 का रिमाइंडर और 13 के रिमाइंडर वाली कंडीशन डिस्टर्ब होगी क्या? Will this condition get disturbed? If I divide it by 16, the remainder should be 5. if I divide by 24, remainder should be 13. You see that पहला ऐसा number 37 है जो दोनों को satisfy कर रहा है. So I just need to add a number जो 16 और 24 से divide होके दोनों से divide होके 0 का remainder दे. क्योंकि ये नंबर 0 का रिमाइंडर देगा तो ये नंबर 5 का रिमाइंडर दे देगा. दैट मींस पहली कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई रहेगी. और ये नंबर 24 से भी डिवाइड होकर 0 का रिमाइंडर देगा तो ये नंबर 13 दे देगा तो सेकंड कंडीशन भी सेटिस्फाई रहेगी. सो इफ आई ऐड अ नंबर व्हिच इज अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 48 टू दिस नंबर, राइट, दिस condition will get satisfied. So but if I want now I'm supposed to find out the number of what's the minimum number of students. Minimize करना है लेकिन 500 से बड़ा करना है. बच्चों minimize करना है लेकिन 5 से बड़ा करना है तो what's the value of k you will be taking? तो k का वैल्यू क्या लोगे बच्चों? What's the value of k you will take? The minimum possible value of k will be 10. अगर k का वैल्यू 10 लोगे तो minimum number of students so that they gets more than 500 would be 37 plus 480. Yes or no? So 517 students आएंगे बच्चों. 517 will be the total number of students. Do you agree बच्चों? किसी बच्चे को डाउट इस पॉइंट में तो बताओ. Anybody having any doubt in it? Do let me know. Clear? So answer to the question will be 517. What's the answer to the next question, guys? Next question का आंसर क्या आएगा? The product of two number and their HCF is 540. दो numbers हैं बच्चों A and B, right? You have two number A and B. The product of two number, right? The product of two numbers and their HCF is 540, guys. So let's say that the numbers are A and B, right? And because I'm supposed to find out the product of the two numbers and their HCF, right? That is given to me as 540. So what I need to do, guys? What I need to do? इस question का answer लिखो. 4 answer है. Can I assume the numbers to be HM? Let's say that H is a HCF, guys, and B again to be equal to HN. H is HCF. So can I say M and N both are supposed to be co-prime with each other? Can I say this, guys? M or N as a number, M and N as a number should be co-prime with each other, bachcho. Yes or no? Now question says the product of two number. Product of two number, that means HM multiplied by HN is given to me as 540. Right, everybody? That means H square, the product of the numbers and their HCF, or इनका HCF है बच्चों H. So that means H का cube multiplied by M is given to me as 540, everybody. H का cube multiplied by M multiplied by N is given to me as 540. So can I say H cube multiplied by M multiplied by N? 540 का factorization is 5 into 108, which is 3 into 36. 3 into 36 is 3 square into 2. Yes or no? 3 square into 2 power 2. Right. Which is equal to 3 power 3 multiplied by 2 power 2 multiplied by 5 power 1. Guys, if I say that this is equal to H cube multiplied by M multiplied by N, H cube multiplied by M multiplied by N is given to you as this number, guys, right? So can I say that the possible value of H has to be, क्योंकि H की power 3 आनी चाहिए, यहाँ power 2 है, यहाँ power 1 है. So one possibility is that H का value is equal to 3, everybody. H का value अगर 3 लोगे, then you see that M multiplied by N should be equal to 20. But what I want is M and N should be co-prime with each other. Now tell me, guys, in how many ways you can write down the product of these two numbers as equal to 20, but these two numbers should be co-prime with each other. One possibility is to take it as 1 into 20, 4 into 5. Is there any other way to write down M into N as a product of two numbers which are co-prime with each other? क्या कोई और तरीका है बच्चों? नहीं ना? दो तरीके हो गए. That these are the two ways, right? How many such? Okay, हमें ordered pair बताना है बच्चों. Ordered pair अगर बताना है तो इसका मतलब मुझे 5 into 4 into 20 into 1 का भी केस लेना पड़ेगा. So there are 4 possible cases in this. Yes or no? Right? There are 4 possible cases because question is talking about the ordered pair. Then the second possibility is that can I also take H to be 1? H cube into M into N की जो value है बच्चों वो 3 cube into 2 square into 5 है. तो मैं इसको ये भी लिख सकता हूँ 1 cube into 3 का cube into 2 का square into 5. Can I also take H to be 1? Yes, H 1 भी हो सकता है. That means M into N जो आएगा that will be equal to 3 power 3 into 2 power 2 into 5. Now again, in how many ways you can write down the product of these two numbers which are co-prime with each other, right? M into N should be equivalent to this product, but they should be co-prime with each other. M into N का product ये आना चाहिए और ये आपस में co-prime होने चाहिए. So now instead of making the random cases, it's better to use that direct concept कि the number of ways of writing down the product of two numbers so that they are co-prime with each other is 2 power m minus 1. बच्चों ये सबको पता है कि दो numbers का product अगर आपको given है, in how many ways you can write down so that they are co-prime with each other, it is 2 power m minus 1 and m is different prime factor. कितने prime factors हैं? 1 2 3, 2 power 3 minus 1. There are total 4 ways to write down the product of two numbers as this number which are co-prime with each other, right? Because it is talking about ordered pair, guys. Ordered pair है तो total pairs कितने बनेंगे? ये 4 तो combinations बने, right? But if I am looking for the ordered pair will be equal to 4 into 2, that is 8. So 8 pair यहाँ पे, 4 pair यहाँ पे. Total number of ordered pair जो बनेंगे बच्चों, that is equal to 12. Yes or no? Answer 12 आएगा. Yes or no? Guys, ordered pair में आपको दोनों different cases लेने हैं, ठीक है? 12 is the right answer of the question, guys. Okay? 12 is the right answer of the question. That's question number 31 full. Have you tried question number 32? हाँ, कोई बात नहीं, वो गलती से रह गया होगा. Question number 32 देखो बच्चों. Write down the question number 32. The sum of the LCM and HCF of two number is given as 161, guys, right? Sum of LCM. बताओ बच्चों क्या आंसर आएगा इसका? What is the answer of this question? That's a teacher question. Have you tried this question, guys? Right? Sum of the LCM and HCF of the two number is given as 161. So guys, दो numbers हैं. Let's assume that those two numbers are HA and HB. ऐसा कभी भी कोई question solve करना हो बच्चों, always take their HCF. सबसे पहले HCF लो, because concept यहीं से निकल के आएगा. Once you assume that the HCF of the number is H, that means H उनका factor है तो H के multiple ही होंगे. If I'm assuming these two numbers to be HA and HB, then can I say and H is a HCF, so A and B has to be co-prime. A और B जो होने चाहिए बच्चों ये आपस में co-prime होने चाहिए. Do you agree with this? Yes or no? Is this point clear to all of you? Anybody having any doubt in it? HA, HB should be co-prime with each other, guys, right? Now question is, अब इसका LCM क्या बनेगा बच्चों? HA और HB का LCM अगर मेरे को लेना है, HA and HB where A and B are co-prime, so can I say LCM will be equal to HAB. Now guys, HAB is given to me. Question says the sum of LCM plus HCF of the number is given to you as 161. Can I take H as common? So this will be AB plus 1 is equal to 161. Yes or no, guys? Right? Now, guys, H into AB plus 1 should be 161. 161 का factorization क्या बनेगा बच्चों? 7 पे जा रहा है. 7 into 23. Now start making cases. H into AB plus 1 is 7 into 23. Guys, one possibility is that the value of H is 7. Right? पहला एक possibility ये है कि H की वैल्यू को आपने 7 लिया. If I am saying H is 7 तो AB plus 1 जो बनेगा बच्चों 23 बनेगा. AB का वैल्यू will be 22. In how many ways you can write down the product of these two numbers which are co-prime? A और B आपस में co-prime है. It will be 1 into 22 and 2 into 11. There are two ways to write, right? और कोई तरीका नहीं है. Second is a case when you are assuming H to be equal to 23 बच्चों. अगर मैंने H को 23 लिया, in this case H 23 तो AB plus 7 AB plus 1 7 हो जाएगा. So AB will be 6. So product of two numbers which are co-prime with each other should be equal to 6. Another two ways, 1 into 6, 2 into 3. Is there any other possibility? हाँ, एक और possibility है. What if I take H as 1? अगर मैंने H को 1 लिया तो AB plus 1 पूरा का पूरा 161 आ जाएगा. AB plus 1 will be 161. So AB will be equal to 160. Product of these two numbers as 160. In how many ways you can write it down? 1 into 160 and 5 into 32. दोनों co-prime होने चाहिए और कोई तरीका नहीं है. Yes or no? So 2 ways here, 2 ways here and 2 ways here. Total बनेंगे बच्चों 2 plus 2 plus 2. Answer will be 6. Is it clear? ठीक है बच्चों, is it done? Everybody clear with this? Any doubt in this? Tell me. 6 is the right answer. What's the answer to the next question, guys? Next question का answer क्या है? Question number 33. How many integers between 1 and 500 are divisible by exactly 2 of the 3 numbers? Very good बच्चों. ऐसा question कैट के पेपर में आ चुका है बच्चों already. So I just want कि आपका ये concept miss नहीं है. The best way to solve this type of question is use the set theory, guys. Set theory को use करो, right? What I want is that this is that 1 से लेके 500 के बीच में there will be numbers which are divisible by 3. There will be some number which will be divisible by 5. There will be some number which will be divisible by 7. कुछ ऐसे होंगे जो दोनों से divisible होंगे, कुछ ऐसे होंगे जो तीनों से भी divisible होंगे. There can be some number which will be divisible by any two of these numbers, right? So what we'll do, we'll write down all the numbers which are divisible by 3. Let's say that this is the set of the integers divisible by 3. This is a set of numbers which are divisible by 5, and this is our set of number which are divisible by 7. Now if I want to find out the numbers which are divisible by 3 and 5 both, अगर मुझे वो find out करना है जो number 3 से भी divisible हो, 5 से भी divisible हो, तो I need to find out those numbers जो 15 से divisible हो, right? 3 और 5 का LCM is 15. So 3 से भी divisible हो, 5 से, तो 15 से divisible होना चाहिए. 5 से भी divisible हो, 7 से भी divisible हो, तो I need to find out those numbers जो 35 से divisible होंगे. Right everyone? 3 से भी divisible, 7 से भी divisible, तो I need to find out those numbers जो 21 से divisible होंगे. और middle में वो सारे numbers लिखने हैं जो 3, 5 and 7 तीनों से divisible हैं. That is 105. What I want to find out is a number which are divisible by exactly 2 of the 3 number. Exactly 2 of the 3 numbers के लिए मेरे को ये 3 regions का total निकालना है. Value that will lie over here, that lie over here, and that lie over here, right? So first of all, find out the number of set of numbers जो 3 से divisible है बच्चों. 1 से लेके 500 में कितने ऐसे हैं values हैं बच्चों जो 3 से divisible है? बताओ बच्चों. What is a value? Right? देखो बच्चों. Every third number is a multiple of 3. तो 3 का पहला multiple 3 into 1 है. 500 को अगर मैं 3 से डिवाइड करूं, और आखिरी अगर मेरे को देखना है बच्चों, राइट, लास्ट नंबर अगर आप देखो 500 जो है, राइट, 500 3 से डिवाइड करने पे 2 का रिमाइंडर देता है, तो 498, राइट, वुड बी द लास्ट नंबर विच इज अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 3, विच इज 3 into 166. यस और नो? ठीक है. तो बच्चों 3 के जो मल्टीपल है वो 3 into 1 से लेके 3 into 166 तक जा रहे हैं. So can I say that there are total 166 numbers which are divisible by 3? Is this point clear to everybody? Anyone having doubt in this? Tell me guys, right? 166 आएगा सीधा. 5 से divisible वाले numbers बच्चों मेरे को देखना है. If I want to find out the numbers which are divisible by 5, 5 का पहला multiple is 5 into 1, आखिरी multiple 5 into 100. तो कितने numbers हो गए बच्चों? बहुत simple है, very simple. That total 100. 7 से divisible बच्चों. 7 का पहला मल्टीपल देखो और आखिरी मल्टीपल देखो. 500 को 7 से अगर मैं डिवाइड करूं बच्चों तो 3 का रिमाइंडर आता है, राइट. तो लास्ट नंबर जो आएगा वो 497 होगा. 497 7 into 71. तो 7 से डिविजिबल होने वाले 71 नंबर्स. डिड यू फॉलो दिस अप्रोच गाइस? क्या आप लोगों ने ये अप्रोच फॉलो किया था क्वेश्चन को आंसर करने के लिए? ना गाइस, 15 से डिविजिबल देखना है. आई वांट टू फाइंड आउट द नंबर्स. ये पूरा वैल्यू देखना है मेरे को कि कितने से डिविजिबल है, राइट. 15 के मल्टीपल्स गाइस, 15 into 1, आखिरी कौन सा होगा? 495. 15 into 33. तो 15 से डिवाइड होने वाले टोटल 33 नंबर्स. 35 से डिवाइड होने वाले पहला मल्टीपल 35 into 1. लास्ट मल्टीपल कौन सा होगा बच्चों? लास्ट जो मल्टीपल होगा, राइट, दैट विल बी हाउ मच गाइस? 14 है. 14 into 5, 14 into 5 70. हाँ, 490 is the last multiple. तो there are total 14 such numbers. Yes or no? 21 के मल्टीपल देखने हैं बच्चों. 21 से स्टार्ट हो जाओ. पहला नंबर 21, आखिरी वाला कौन सा होगा बच्चों? 21 into what? Last number which is just less than 500. And it's of 21 का स्क्वायर होता है 441. तो 21 into 22, 23. हाँ, तो 23 तक जाना पड़ेगा. Yes or no? 500 से नीचे रहने के लिए 23 तक जाना पड़ेगा. There will be total 23 numbers which are the multiple of 21, right? All I need to find out is the value that lies over here now. This is 357. That means total number 105 से कौन से कितने number divisible? 105 into 105 into 4. There are total 4 numbers, right? जो तीनों से divisible है. Now guys, only 15 वाला आएगा 29. राइट ये वैसे ये वाली वैल्यू निकालने की जरूरत भी नहीं थी मेरे को. राइट दिस इज 29 ना, हमें तो एग्जैक्टली 2 वाले नंबर चाहिए. ये पूरा 33 है, 33 में से 4 गया 29 आ गया. ये दिस कंप्लीट वैल्यू इज 23, 23 में से 4 गया 19 आ गया. दिस होल वैल्यू इज 14, ये 4 माइनस हो गया 10 आ गया. राइट व्हाट आई एम सपोज्ड टू फाइंड आउट इज द नंबर्स व्हिच आर एग्जैक्टली divisible by exactly 2 of them. That means summation of this plus this plus this. 29 plus 10, 39 plus 19, 58. 58 is the right answer. Third option. Got it? Easy. समझ में आया बच्चों? Clear हो गया बच्चों? Is it done? Anybody having any doubt in this question, guys? All clear? So ये questions थे बच्चों. LCM number system हमारा complete हो गया बच्चों 33 questions के साथ, right? कैट रेलेवेंट जितने भी क्वेश्चंस मुझे लगे नंबर सिस्टम से वो मैंने आपको सारे क्लासेस के अंदर इन सेशंस में करवा दिए हैं बच्चों. राइट प्लस देयर इज आल्सो रिवीजन गोइंग ऑन. राइट सो टुमारो ऑनवर्ड, राइट वी विल बी स्टार्टिंग विद अरिथमेटिक. ठीक है, नंबर सिस्टम 33 बेस्ट क्वेश्चंस, सिलेक्टेड क्वेश्चंस, रेलेवेंट क्वेश्चंस, एग्जाम रेलेवेंट क्वेश्चंस. राइट वो सब के सब हमारे कंप्लीट हो गए. 7 videos हैं टोटल बच्चों. If you want to complete it, these 33 questions have been covered in 7 different videos. You guys can watch all those videos. पूरा playlist में आपको ये सब मिल जाएगा. ठीक है, tomorrow onwards we will start with arithmetic. Right, I'll upload it. ठीक है, वो PDF file में upload कर दूँगा. Right. See you guys then. Take care. Thank you so much for joining the session, guys. Bye bye. Take care. Thanks a lot. Please subscribe the channel for the regular updates on classes. Thank you.